Sun is the ultimate source of energy. We use energy from the sun directly or indirectly. Having said this, some companies utilize sun's energy to power an aircraft. Solar Impulse is one of them. Today, our technology is not powerful enough to make the fully solar-powered aircraft enter into the market. However, they are in the experimental stage. Solar Impulse is a privately financed Swiss company led by Swiss engineers and businessmen Andrew Borsberg and Swiss psychiatrist and balloonist Bertrand Piccard. Solar Impulse 1 is a single-seated monoplane powered by photovoltaic cells and can take off on its own power. Its first test flight took off in December 2009. In July 2010, it flew 26 hours in the night sky with 9 hours of night flight. Later in 2011, construction of second solar-powered aircraft called Solar Impulse 2 began. The plane has a wingspan almost equal to wingspan Airbus A380 aircraft with a non-pressurized cockpit. Under the entire wing, there were 4 nacelles containing a set of 41 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, 13 kW motor, and a 4-meter diameter twin-bladed motor. To save weight, light carbon fiber is used to construct wings and the fuselage. It is 22.4 meters long with wingspan of 71.9 meters. The wing has 17,248 photovoltaic cells with maximum power ratings of 66 kilowatts. Its cruising speed is 90 km per hour at an altitude of 12,000 meters. The plane circumnavigation of Earth took place on 9 March 2015 from Abu Dhabi Airport. The Mission Control Center in Monaco started gathering real-time flight data using satellite links. The longest stage of circumnavigation was across the Atlantic Ocean for 5 continuous days and nights. The pilot must be physically and mentally alert and active. Therefore, the pilot took 20 minutes nap and used yoga and exercises to promote blood flow. By the end of May 2015, the plane landed in Japan and started its journey towards Hawaii on 28 June 2015. After 117 hours of continuous flight towards Hawaii, the plane battery got damaged by overheating due to too much of insulation packing. Later, new batteries were made and replaced in the plane. Then the plane crossed the Atlantic Ocean and landed in Seville and then to Cairo. On 26 June 2016, the record-breaking plane landed back on Abu Dhabi, completing 17 stages and 16.5 months journeys around the globe by fully solar-powered aircraft. During the final flight before the completion of their circumnavigation of the globe, Borsberg and Piccard announced the creation of the World Alliance for Clean Technology with the sole purpose of promoting green energy and sustainable technologies. Later, Solar Impulse team plans to develop unmanned solar aircraft to bring improvement in the field of communication, measurement, and observation.